They are so dirty.
They won't bite, but they will fly like right up from your face.
And one of the bats is a carnivore bat. Now we're in for some real hectic stuff. This is called a flip-flop block. Isabel's going to be holding my life in her hand. The block is in.
Woo!
Welcome back to Sailing Merewether, guys. In a spur-of-the-moment decision, we follow our Scandinavian friends up a creek to explore a famous bat cave. We couldn't resist the idea, not really knowing what to expect.
Kieran.
Hey, cutie. Being a murky and shallow creek, we had to be careful of debris in the water. We are checking out sloths.
You're rowing.
I'm rowing, and you're just filming. And there's some sloths right above us. Is that his face? Oh yeah. Oh my god, that's a cool one. Hello. Hey buddy.
Hey.
Oh yeah, good girl. Just watch yourself. Yeah, beautiful.
I took one for the team.
They are so dirty. Good job.
You need to get in the entrance, okay? If you have that, you can use it. I don't have any box for right now, okay? And my name is Hustiliano, okay?
Hustiliano.
Yeah, Hustiliano is my name. Right.
So right now we are heading to the bat cave.
We have our guide.
We've just taken a river, maybe like what, kilometer, maybe 3 kilometers up this river, and now we got a little tour guide to go through this bat cave. Looks awesome. Yeah.
We just borrowed these water shoes, or whatever you want to call them. Right? How do you feel? Ready for some hiking action?
Ready, steady, go. We are walking 20 minutes through the bush, and we're going to arrive at the bat cave, and there are 4 species of bats. And apparently what the guide says is you walk into water at chest height, and then there's an option to go swimming a bit further on
more
in
like
a swimming
2
pool.
meters. But he did say also like the bats will come and like fly straight into your face. They won't bite, but they will fly like right up from your face.
And one of the bats is a carnivore bat, or better known as the vampire bat.
No, thank you.
We kind of just walked into this, didn't we?
Yep.
We didn't Our friend just said, "Oh, we're going to the back cave." I'm like, "Oh, sweet." And now we're in for some real hectic stuff going on.
Yeah. What was it, Sandra? I don't know what it. Oh. Oh my god! Okay, look at those. It's massive! Wow. Look at that!
Wow!
That's huge! Alright, it all starts.
Close your mouth when you look up. That's the fruit back. Check these out.
Wow. Not at all expecting the Batcave to be so big and so deep, we walked through murky water at least 200 meters in. Look at the dogs! The dogs are swimming! When the water reached our chest, we suddenly felt like cave divers more than sailors. Being guided by the owner of the land made us feel quite secure, and having his two dogs going into the depths of the cave left us with some companionship. Oh my god! Oh yes! Look at that! Oh, you were joking about that!
Goes up here.
Yes, baby. That was incredible, wasn't it?
That was crazy. Oh, the jump. How deep could it be?
It'd be, he said 10 feet.
We both did it?
We both killed it. That was way better than I thought it would be.
Yeah. The bats were not so scary. It was more like what could be underneath.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Couldn't see that much.
Yeah. You couldn't see your footing either. Okay, what do we rate this day out of 10?
9.
It's pretty up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll give you a little background. Our friends Magnus, and Sandra, they all said, "Oh yeah, we're just going to go to this back cave." And we didn't really think much of it. We didn't really know a lot about it. We thought it'd be pretty cool to go check it out. But wow, it has been unreal.
Gotta pay attention to the road, love.
Yeah, we just got to traverse. There's a lot of shallow patches through here. We had to pay $10 each per person for this Batcave tour, but you wouldn't want to go in there alone. It was incredible.
No. And he owned it as well. He had 50 acres, did we say?
Yeah, yeah.
And he owned the land that the cave was at.
Unreal.
Yeah.
There we go. You get it. I think we might be able to squeeze through without you.
Yeah? Woo! Yeah, pro. Done that before. Oh.
Good morning. Today we are doing a job in order to get our spinnaker pole flying. Recently we acquired a spinnaker pole and a spinnaker. We have not ever flown a spinnaker or spinnaker pole while being on Merewether over the last 3 years. I actually don't know how to do it, so I'll be figuring this out as I go. But this is the first job. This is called a flip-flop block, and it will be installed at the very top of the mast to run an extra halyard through. So at the moment we only have 2 halyards and we need 3. So this will be right up the top. Isabel will be hoisting me up and I will be drilling in about how many holes? Probably between 6 and 8 holes, and I'll be riveting them up the top. I'm very looking forward to getting this pole working and getting our spinnaker flying. We are expected to get a lot of light winds coming across the Pacific, so I think it's key to have this working. Isabel's going to be holding my life in her hands today.
It's my least favorite job. You being up there, I know you're safe, you have your chair and all that, but it's not fun. Do you want to tell people what happened to your face?
My face?
Yes.
There's one time when Isabel can't control herself, and that is when you tickle her and you get I got a solid tooth. This is a tooth to the head.
Any last words?
No, I don't have any last words. These aren't going to be my last words. I'd be really concerned if they were. What are you planning to do while I'm up there, Isabel?
You're in safe hands, my love.
What are you planning to do
You're
to me?
You're in safe hands.
Working at the top of the mast had been recently a common thing for me, and I've been enjoying it quite a bit. While it's not easy, I try to use 2 halyards where I can for double safety, and it leaves Isabel with a peace of mind down the road. Drilling into the curved surface of the mast proved to be quite a challenge for me. After a couple hours, I seemed to master it and get the block on quite well. So the block is in.
Woo!
I'm going to be using the new halyard as a backup rope to lower ourselves down. In case, can't hurt. I gotta go to the toilet.
We don't want to see that.
Too many hours up the mast. Okay, overall a very successful little mission. We're just testing it now. You can see the dinghy is actually raised. It's probably taking 50 or 60 kilos and it's looking brilliant. That will be our new dinghy lifter. I guess you want to call it. The new halyard to lift the dinghy. The new dinghy lifter. The new dinghy lifter. So no, very happy with that. We are one step closer to getting a spinnaker flying. We are one step closer to getting a spinnaker pole working. This boat was set up for the charter industry. It was never set up to cruise the world. So these things have to be installed, improved to get it blue water cruising worthy. But it's good, you know, because I get to learn how to install this stuff, and I know for next time if we ever get another boat, it's all learning and it's great. I love it. This girl absolutely killed it. Thank you for hoisting me up, darling. You're the best.